Hello all, welcome to Azure Data Factory session. Today we are going to see the sync properties available in copy activity. The first one is write behavior. In write behavior we have insert, upsert and calling the stored procedure. Insert means whatever the record coming from the source, it will insert the record into the sync. Second one, upset. Upset means whatever the record is coming from the source, it will check whether this record already there in the sync table or not. If it is there, then it will update. If it is not there, then it will insert. That is upset. And third one is stored procedure. Sometimes if you want to do the transaction kind of activity, you can create your stored procedure. Within that you can write the SQL commands. Okay, these are all the three write behaviors are there in the sync properties. With this, let us move on to the practical session. This is the copy activity already we created, right? So in source I'm reading sample superstore 1 as a file. In the sync I'm writing the source data into demo superstore table. Here, right, generally what we will use, we will click the write behavior as insert. We used many times, right? So let me move on to other option, upset. Upset is the new one we are going to see now. To work on upset, right, we need to know what is the key column. Okay, based on the key only, the system will check whether the record is duplicate record or the new record. In our case, right, what I did, right, I created a new table. It's a sample table. Row ID I'm maintaining as a primary key. This is the only key I'm going to match it. So in the upset, when you click on upset, right, what it will do, it will ask you to select the key column. Here I selected my key column as a row ID because row ID is the primary key in my table. I selected it, okay, and then I saved it. What I will do, let me open source as well. This is the file we are going to read it, right? First time, this is my record 5 and 6. Only two records are there. Let me go and check the table. Okay, I truncate the table. There is no record in the table. The first run, right, when I execute the pipeline very first time, what it will do, it will try to check the record it is there or not. Both the records are not there because we truncated the table. What it will do, it will insert the record. Pipeline execution successfully completed. Let me go to the table and select the table. Two record got inserted now. Okay, see, this is the inserted on time. What I will do, I will copy the time so that we can verify whether it is updating or inserting the new record. This is the time, first execution time, right? Okay, what I will do now, I am coming to the source file. I will modify the first record alone. I am not modifying the row ID. I am modifying the data except the row ID. And the second one, right, I am just modifying it as a row number 7. What it will do now, when we trigger the pipeline, it will check the row ID, right, in the upset. Already row ID 5 is there in our table. What it will do, it will update the row ID 5, and then row number 7 is not there in our table, right? It will insert the record. Let's see what's happening now. I'm going back to the pipeline. I'm triggering one more time. I need to get one new record. The existing record has to update it. Row number 5 need to be updated with some different order ID, and row number 7 has to inserted here. Pipeline successfully completed. Let me select it. See, it is not inserted row number 5 again. Instead, what it is doing, right, it is updating the record here. And then row number 7, it's a new record, it is not there, right? So it will insert. So in this scenario, row number 5 and 7 should get new date, new inserted on date. The row number 6, we are not touching anything in the row number 6, right? So the inserted the time, right, it should have the old time. See, this is the row number 7. Inserted on date is 550. It's the old one. And row number 5 and 7 are the new record, right? So it is giving 552. It means it clearly says it is modifying the record. Okay, that is how Upsert command will work. With this, let us conclude the session. We will meet in other session. Thank you.